Property owners covet a beautiful water view, but neighbors may not care about maintaining each other's views. The importance of properly recording a right to this view in property records is exemplified in Witter versus Taggart. Lawrance owned a tract of land divided by a canal that bordered a creek. Lawrance later conveyed the dominant property north of the canal by deed. Attempting to ensure the view of the creek from the dominant property wasn't obstructed, Lawrance included a restrictive covenant in the dominant property's deed. This covenant prohibited docks or other structures or plants from being placed on the servient property that would interfere with the dominant property's view of the creek. The deed specified that the covenant ran with the dominant property. Through multiple conveyances, the dominant property was sold to William Witter. After Lawrance's death, his servient property was sold to the Taggarts. When the Taggarts wanted to build a 70-foot-long dock on their side of the canal, they completed a title search to verify that they could do so. There was no restrictive covenant in the Taggarts' deed, nor any deed within the chain of title between Lawrance and the Taggarts that prevented its construction. After the Taggarts built the dock, Witter sued them in a New York State trial court, the Suffolk County Supreme Court, to compel them to remove the dock and permanently enjoin them from constructing any similar structure in the future. He argued that they were bound by the restrictive covenant in his deed. The Taggarts moved for summary judgment. They argued that they lacked notice of the restrictive covenant because there was no mention of the covenant in their chain of title. The trial court granted their motion on these grounds. The Appellate Division, 2nd Department affirmed. Witter appealed to the New York Court of Appeals.